US Mobile offers visual voicemail on both iPhone and Android devices. Let's walk through the setup process for each platform. For iPhones running iOS 12 or later, start by opening the Phone app and tapping the Voicemail tab. If prompted, select Setup. Alternatively, you can dial 86 to access voicemail setup. Make sure visual voicemail is enabled in Settings under Phone, then Voicemail. For Android devices, use the Verizon Messages app, which you can download from Google Play if it's not pre-installed. Navigate to Settings within the app, then Voicemail, and select Setup. As an alternative, dial *86 and follow the prompts. Ensure the app is properly linked to your US Mobile account for full functionality. Visual voicemail is automatically enabled on supported devices. As of 2025, US Mobile includes enhanced security with two-factor authentication for voicemail access. The US Mobile app now supports direct voicemail setup and management, reducing the need for traditional dial-in methods. New users benefit from AI-assisted tutorials within the app, which guide you through SIM card verification and setting up a personalized greeting. If visual voicemail setup fails, first check your network signal and restart your device. If issues persist, contact US Mobile support through the app's chat feature. US Mobile offers voicemail transcription as a premium add-on, $4.99 a month, transcribing messages into text using AI, but basic visual voicemail remains free. US Mobile does not support third-party visual voicemail apps. Using the carrier's exclusive features is required for security. If using an older device, you may default to traditional audio voicemail. Basic voicemail storage includes 20 messages, extendable to 40 with add-ons. Keep your voicemail secure by using a unique PIN and enabling notifications for new messages. Voicemails are encrypted and not accessible without authentication. Visual voicemail is evolving with AI integration, which includes spam filtering and smart summaries to prioritize urgent calls. You can also forward voicemails to email or cloud storage,